Do you use Google Images for your YouTube video? But do you know, is that copyright free or not? If it is not copyright free, then there is a probability that your channel could be suspended for using those images. Guys, welcome to Learning Bean again. Today I'm going to show you the exact way to search copyright free images, and you can use those images without any tension and any hesitation. So let's get started. Just open up your browser. Now I'm going to show you the normal way. If you want to search this images on Google, suppose we want a image of a Chrome browser. Then go to images. You can see this image may be subject to copyright. So there is a probability that your channel could be suspended for using this image. So guys, now I'm gonna show you the exact way to search images. I will give this link to description below. You can check it out. I have already bookmarked this link. So you can see www.google.com/advanced_image_search. So you can use this link from description below. So here you can see, you can type your exact word to find images, all these words, any of these words, and you can use none of them. You can mention the exact size you want to download and many more things. You can check it out. So all you have to do, just search free to use, share or modify even commercially. If you selected this one, there is no chance to claim for copyright issue for this image. So let's check it out. So there you go. This is the exact copyright free images. You can use any of this. So guys, I hope you will find it more useful. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care.